My video is dedicated to help you remove the browser notifications that are related to the site newslexuse.com. Newslexuse.com is a deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. This particular website tries to trick its visitors into clicking on the special Allow button, which is integrated into it. The website says that it's some sort of browser checkup or human verification. Some people might mistakenly think that it's okay to click on Allow button. However, clicking on Allow is extremely dangerous. If you do that, the browser will be hijacked, you will be redirected to some other questionable websites of a very bad reputation. Also, you will start receiving the great portion of advertisements displayed in the right part of the computer screen. Definitely, you should be careful not to click on these ads, because pretty often they display some filthy content not really suitable for certain categories of people. These ads, of course, will come up only if the Allow button was mistakenly clicked. So now, let us fix the issue with the browser. The issue can be fixed by accessing the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then click on Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. So you'll find this malicious site newslexuse.com. You need to remove it from the list and don't hesitate to remove other pretty annoying sites that are causing such annoying ads on your computer screen. So this is the manual solution to actually fix your browser and get rid of these intrusive advertisements. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which can help you to fix all your browser issues automatically for all the browsers available on your system. Get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software through this green download button, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.